Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume or the alert volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you find it, tap on it. And right here we can adjust the sound volume or the alert volume by tapping on the buttons or by rotating the crown. Once you're done adjusting the sound volume, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also do this in the in the phone app on your iPhone. So we can bring our iPhone right here, unlock it, come on. Okay, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of our iPhone, like this. And on the iPhone that is paired with our watch, we can open the watch app. In the app, scroll down, find the Sounds and Haptics, tap on it, and here we have the alert volume slider, and you can adjust the volume by sliding on the slider. And once you're done, you can of course close the app. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.